Welcome to BT's The Future Is Now. I'm Steph McGovern, and in my 15 years as a business journalist, I have to say, I am fascinated by the companies who are shaping our future. So in this series, we'll be talking to the organisations who are already doing today what we'll be doing tomorrow. So first up, we have Excel Esports, which has been described as the boldest British esports organisation with a global presence. It's fast becoming a power brand synonymous with British gaming, and it's run by Joel and Kieran, started in your bedroom 5 years ago. Lovely to see you both. First up, tell me who's who.
I'm Kieran.
I'm Joel.
Right, who's the oldest?
Me.
Right, who's the funniest?
Me.
Yeah, I'll let him have that
I'm
one.
claiming that.
And I imagine you're both competitive, but who's the most competitive?
I'd have to give that one to him.
I think I'll take that one.
So just to understand your industry then, because there are some people out there who won't understand what esports is. Joel, what is it? How are you making your money? What are you doing?
So we are a gaming and esports entertainment brand. We exist to provide entertainment to fans of video games, particularly competitive video gaming, and to basically bring that kind of content to them. As part of that, we also manage professional esports players who compete around the world in tournaments representing our brand.
And what has it taken then, Joel, to actually grow the business? Because it has been rapid growth.
It's taken a lot of calculated risks. We've had to be quite serious about going after opportunities that maybe other people would have viewed as being kind of out of our reach at the time. You know, we've always been quite ambitious and bold and tried to look at what our competitors are doing and either do what they're doing better or do something completely different. And a lot of people have viewed what we've done sometimes as going kind of beyond our limits, but it's been on purpose. You know, we've always tried to push ourselves and actually go to that next level.
And Kieran, if you were, giving advice to someone who wanted to set up a business, whatever it was in, and recreate what you guys have, what would you say to them?
Yeah, it's tough is what I would say initially, but also I think you have to find something you're truly passionate about, because it does take, a lot of drive, a lot of determination, a lot of resilience to actually get to where you want to get to. And unless you're truly passionate about the product or the service that you're kind of providing, you won't continue that journey and you won't get through the hurdles and the obstacles.